had this amazing idea that I should do an unboxing, but I was a little bit too excited, so I opened the DHL package already. But I'm gonna do the rest on camera because this is very exciting. We're making progress with our hardware. So yeah, maybe if I have enough energy, I'm gonna do this with every new packet that I get. So yeah, let's look what this is. Oh, the F robot. Drive the future. Cool. I like their slogan. Yeah, we ordered 2 microcontrollers from the F robot. So very exciting. Ta-da! Ooh, this looks really cool. Some very nice, what is this even called? Styrofoam. And some little cute boxes that have our microcontrollers. Aw, these are really cute actually. Okay, so we ordered 2 Beetle BLE, so Beetle Bluetooth Low Energy. They're oh yeah, they used to be called Bluno. Yeah, so this is Bluno Beetle, this is Bluno Nano, and this is Bluno Beetle. Yeah, so these 2 are like the Beetle Bluetooth Low Energy microcontrollers, and yeah, they're basically like, I don't even know, like cheaper microcontrollers that work like Arduino, so you can program them from the Arduino environment, the Arduino IDE, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. But this is how it looks like. Very exciting. They are tiny. Perfect. So this is the Beetle, and then the Nano should be the same size as an Arduino Nano, if that's a thing. Micro. Anyway, should know these things. This is probably very dark for the camera, actually. Anyway, I'm gonna open them because it's so exciting. Oh, this one has pins soldered to it. Huh, so boring. I don't get to solder the pins myself. Okay, so there we go. Bluno Nano. Yeah, this also has an embedded Bluetooth, so that's why we got them, because didn't have a good experience with other Bluetooth modules, so we'll give these ones a try. Yeah, and then this one, which is like super tiny. Let's see. There we go. So yeah, you can see the Bluetooth antenna, and let's see here. Yeah, it has 4 analog pins, 4 digital pins, 5-volt output. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. I'll give these ones a try and see how it goes.